What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can check out some of my older videos and some of the new stuff we got coming up. But today's video is brought to you by the ever so disrespectful South Carolina sun. It's like 4 million degrees out here. Without further ado, we're gonna jump into today's video. Pretty much, I got something on the truck that I need to have addressed like ASAP. I mean, it's really bad. It's actually almost embarrassing. I'm not gonna put another part on the truck until I get this done. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so from far away, the truck looked good. Other than the fact that it's dirty, but that ain't nothing new. Hell, it's white. But when you come a little closer, I got nothing but mud, rust, and dirt everywhere under here. That is bad. So like one of the first things that I noticed was when I got the truck lifted was that my drive shaft can now be seen. It don't look that bad now, but before it came in that GM brown rust color, and it also had, I guess, like some overspray from where somebody previously tried to spray some undercoating. So I went in there and kind of, I don't want to say sand it down, just kind of strip my drive shaft. Eventually one day I might see if I can get it polished, but you just start looking a little closer, it just looks bad. So that's what today's video is going to be about. Sunday fun day. Gonna crawl up under there and I guess do some cleaning, and we'll see how much time we have left for if I don't pass out. All right, so real quick, for those of you guys out there who've seen these parts in your truck and don't know what they're for, I'm getting ready to use them right now. So if you've never had to lower your tire or don't know how to change your spare, better pay attention right now. All right, so I got the two pieces together, put the bigger end, and find the hole. There we go. Once you find the hole, slide it in the slot. Take your little L iron, slide it on there like so. And just start the turning. I'm dropping mine because the other day my wife told me to get rid of my spare tire because she got a surprise for me for my birthday. So I'm just curious as to what that could be. But this will help me get this underneath clean anyway. Check it out, it don't look too bad. You don't see most of that eyesore, that rust that was everywhere. So far so good. So I'm gonna come to a stopping point. Now that I'm out of paint, I had to grab some paint another day, but what a better time than to stop to grab something to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get everything cleaned up here. and head out. What's up, guys? So I'm out here at Rush's. If you see how small this drive-thru is, so the young lady gonna meet me out here at the door.
9:44, okay?
All right, thank you. No. So she was nice enough to come out to the door, unlock it for me, and I guess I'll just sit tight and wait. But it wasn't no way I was gonna make it down through here. Look at how tight it gets. Give her a little tip for doing that for me, because that was nice of her. But I had to call the restaurant number offline just to get someone to come take my order. I'm gonna tell y'all, there's nothing like Rush's on a Sunday. If y'all ain't never had it, you need to try it. I don't know what you're missing. Well, I'm gonna get to this. I'll holler at y'all later. All right, guys, so I finally took the time to wash the truck before we ended up the video for the day. So we all done, clean. I think it's supposed to rain this week, but at least I get to see it clean one last time. But hey, till then, y'all take it easy. Holla at your boy.